Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Asha from Savyakala. Today we will learn how to make home decor. It's my DT work for Mix Media Academy. Mix Media Academy is a monthly challenge which is hosted through social media and each entry should be linked to the blog post. For creating home, I started drawing home design on paper. If you have any shapes or design, you can work straight away. For completing home, I have drawn half moon and small diamond shape. After drawing, I started to cut it along with the border with the help of my craft scissor. You can use any scissor to cut the shape. Next, I have drawn the image shape on thick cardboard and started to cut with the help of my craft knife. And I kept my craft mat under the cardboard. While cutting, the small shape was separated. So, I am sticking it with the help of my glue gun. For making proper edges on the shape, I started to stick craft tape on the sides. For doing it, I made small fringe style on both sides of the tape, which you will see in a moment. If you have trouble with sticking and making fringe cutting, you can do fringe at first and stick to the shape as next step, or whatever is easier for you. I completed sticking the tape on all over the sides of the shape. I need the shape in standing position. For that, I need a base to stick. So, here I am taking packaging cardboard and cutting it to the size I needed. Then I have drawn small rectangle and started to cut it with the help of my craft knife to make hole. I needed a thicker base, so I have cut another base of same size. Here I am gluing the two bases together with the help of my craft glue. You can use any strong glue to stick it. Then I sticked the tape around it. Here I am taking white gesso. It acts as primer. I started to apply all over the base. For faster drying, I used my heat tool. If you don't have tool, you can dry it naturally. Next, I started to create texture. For that, I am using Little Buddy Stone texture paste from Itsy Bitsy. To make thick consistency, I added mixed media paste and stone paste and mix it together on my craft mat. Then, I applied it to the base. You can watch the whole process while I will leave you some music. worm shape, I applied mixed media paste and started creating texture with it. I applied the paste on the sides and back side too, which you will see in a moment. Here I am adding stone texture paste for more texture. Then dried it with the help of my heat tool. For the colors, I am testing different sprays and paints. I made swatches on white paper, then selected some colors from it. At first, I added little bit of faded denim chalk paint. You can add any light blue color of any brand. Then, I started layering lemon chiffon chalk paint. Lemon chiffon is nothing but yellow color. For consistency, I switched to paintbrush to paint. Then I highlighted the texture with light blue color with the help of sponge. I wanted brighter yellow, so I started adding spring dandelion spray from Prima Marketing, which is brighter yellow. To tone down the color, I am using Little Birdie's Snow Chalk paint, which is white color here and there. This month compulsory element is doodling. Doodling means like scribbles or any continuous design which does not have any particular meaning. To make the process easy, here I am taking insto transfer from Craft Guru. It's a transfer sheet which transfers to any surface in a minute like a magic. Here I am selecting one design and cutting it according to my measurements. Every transfer sheet has protective film which we have to remove before transferring. After that, stick to the surface for transfer. Here I am spraying clean water with the help of Tim Holtz distress sprayer. Then I dab sponge dauber with water to add more water. After that, I removed excess water with the towel. Next step is peeling the paper and the designers stick to the surface. For scribbling, I am using gel pen in the color purple and blue. Here I am adding Om sign to the base with the help of Little Birdie Heavy Body Gel Medium from Itsy Bitsy. After that, I have varnished it for protection. The final look of the project will be showing in a minute. If you like this video, please do click thumbs up button and comment under the video. If you are watching till here, I am grateful for that. Don't forget to subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thank you for watching.